Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Scholar Tech Studio. In this video, we are going to simulate the phenomena of free falling stone. As you can see in the picture, there is a stone of 1 kilogram whose initial velocity is 0, and when we will drop this stone, so after 1 second how much distance this stone will cover. We want to find the displacement of the free falling body under the action of gravity. So we are going to simulate this phenomena in Python programming language. So here you can see that here is our code. First we import the matplotlib library, okay, and then we know that the acceleration of free falling body is 9.81 meter per second square and our time is equal to 1. And the formula of displacement, so we give the variable name displacement in meter, that is equal to 0.5 multiplied by acceleration due to gravity and multiplied by time square in meters, and then displacement is equal to displacement meters multiplied by 1000. So we convert the displacement into millimeter here, okay. And if you want to check the distance at different times like 2 second, 3 second, after 5 second, 10 second, then you just need to put the value, change the value of the time, okay. So in the next step, display the results. We use the print command to display the computation of this statement, okay. And then we also do the plotting. We want to draw the graph, so we plot the graph against the time and the displacement that will be calculated by using this formula, okay. So you can see the whole code is here. So now we will just need to run the simulation. So here we can see that first the displacement of the free falling body after 1 second is equal to minus 4905 millimeter. Why the negative sign? Because the body is falling downward under the action of gravity, so we can say that in negative y direction, so therefore the value is minus. So here is the graph, you can see. So after 1 second it will cover this distance, okay. So let's suppose we want to compute the displacement after 5 seconds, so we just need to change the value of time is equal to 5 and just run the code again, okay. So now we can see that the displacement, computed value of displacement is here and the graph of displacement is here. So in this way we can simulate a physical phenomena of free falling body using Python programming language. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.